In this video, I want to talk about how you can sell at Temu. Now, if you want to be a seller at Temu, what you need to do is you need to sign up to their seller program. Now, to do this, you just want to search for Become Seller Temu and select this one. Now, select your country up here. This is important, or the region. So I live in Denmark, so Germany will be fine. But what you want to do is you want to come here and you can read this, how you can become a seller. You just want to type in your business information and set up your profile, and then they have to review it to see if you are eligible. Now, these are the documents that are required. So if you're an individual or if you're a business, these are what you're going to do. So what you want to do is simply come here and just click sign up, and then you just want to fill in all of the information. And after you've done that, they're going to review it and check if you can become a seller. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.